In the envelope department, part of its management and staff form the special munitions department to make products very different from envelopes. During the anxious days of 1940, when the squadrons of the few shot down those of the Luftwaffe and turned away invasion from our shores, the life of their aircraft depended upon the little sparks which came from that small part of their engine known to all motorists as the sparking plug, 3 million of which were produced at Apsley. The manufacture of sparking plugs is chiefly an engineering job, the machining and assembly of the many parts which make up the plug here seen in section. Perhaps its most vital part is the insulator, standing alongside the plug, and we will see how it is made. The insulator starts life in the form of a powder, which after it has been dried to the correct consistency is pressed in molds and in a very short time emerges in the shape of an insulator. So great was the need for sparking plugs that this long row of girls was kept busy daily from 8 till 6 and was then relieved by other girls who carried on the work right through the night. Quite a change for workers previously employed in making envelopes. Next, the insulators must be hardened by a 6.5-hour journey through intense heat. Their progress through the kiln is so slow that the movement is almost imperceptible. Each insulator is tested for flaws with a 10,000-volt spark, but the high standard of skill in manufacture and the constant checking permits a few rejections. This department also undertook the manufacture of magnetos, and their success is recorded in this personal letter of thanks from Sir Stafford Cripps, then the Minister of Aircraft Production. This is the magneto fitted to the famous Bristol Hercules 6 sleeve valve aero engine, and is shown here in section. This magneto contains over 800 separate parts. And here are partial assemblies of some of its intricate components, all of which had to be machined to the very greatest accuracy. 14,000 complete magnetos were supplied through the combined efforts of a team of 250 workers, some of whom we see at work in this machine shop where once envelopes were stored. All these jobs require skilled craftsmanship, as any failure might endanger the lives of our airmen, and at every stage each part is tested. The tin hats on the walls are a reminder that war was never very far away.